Everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Varun Kaushal and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company for the month of July. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Surrogacy Bill 2016. On 19 December 2018, the lower house of the parliament passed the Surrogacy Bill 2016. Although the bill was cleared in the cabinet as early as 2016, it was referred to the Parliamentary Standing Committee before its passage. The bill seeks to protect women from exploitation. Surrogacy is an arrangement often supported by a legal agreement whereby a woman agrees to become pregnant, carry the pregnancy to due term, and give birth to a child or children. All of this for another person or persons who are or will ultimately become the parent of the newborn child or children. Surrogacy is needed when the woman has uterine issues, pre-existing health condition, hysterectomy as a result of cancer, some previous pregnancy complications which can put both the baby and the mother to a risk, or some other restrictions other than medical, like in the case of LGBTQ couples. There are more than 50 million infertile couples in the world, and India and Thailand have become the biggest hubs for the commercial surrogacy over the decade due to various favorable factors such as cheap costs, large number of well-equipped private clinics, as well as well-qualified doctors. A lack of regulation creates many social, ethical, and commercial problems as illustrated in the points below. Number 1. In 2008, a Japanese couple had appointed a surrogate in a small town in Gujarat. After 9 months, at the time of baby's birth, the couple was no longer together, leaving the child both parentless and stateless, as surrogacy is still prohibited in Japan. In 2012, an Australian couple had twins via a surrogate but acted according to their whim and deserted one in India and took the other one back home. A young mother of two had decided to sacrifice her own body by becoming a surrogate in order to earn some money for her kids, but in spite of delivering a healthy baby, she could not earn much as the middleman took away 50% of her earnings. Number 4. In recent years, women in the show business like Bollywood and the fashion industry have started opting for surrogacy in order to avoid labor pain and stay in shape. Number 5. India has a socially conservative culture where women who use their bodies for earning money have to face high level of social stigma and exclusion. These points bring into light the total disregard of the rights of the surrogate and the child, and how there needs to be a law in place to protect them from exploitation and ill treatment. The bill aims to put a complete ban on commercial surrogacy. The term generally refers to any surrogacy arrangement in which the surrogate mother is compensated for her services beyond reimbursement of medical expenses. Clause 35 of the bill classifies surrogacy as an offence. Offences include commercial surrogacy, providing services in relation to that, running surrogacy agencies without legal registration, advertisement of commercial surrogacy services, exploitation of surrogate mothers, selling of human embryos et al. The bill prescribes punishment of imprisonment for a minimum term of 10 years and with fine which may extend up to 10 years for committing these offences. The bill only allows altruistic surrogacy. The term refers to an arrangement in which a woman volunteers to carry a pregnancy for intended parents without receiving any monetary compensation in return. Only a woman who is genetically related to the intending couple can act as a surrogate for them. Only a woman in the age group of 25 to 35 can opt to be a surrogate mother, and a woman can provide surrogacy services only once in her lifetime. The bill imposes that only a legally married Indian couple can avail surrogacy services who have been married for a period greater than 5 years. Couple only includes a legally married man and a woman, and not foreigners, live-in partners, and same-sex couples. The couple has to present a certificate of infertility in order to avail these services. The couple must be between the age of 23 to 50 years and 26 to 55 years for female and male respectively. The intending couple should not have any surviving child biologically or through adoption or through surrogacy earlier. However, if the surviving child is medically certified to be mentally or physically challenged or as having life-threatening diseases, the couple can avail surrogacy services. The child born to the surrogate will be considered to be the legal offspring of the intending parents, and the bill prohibits abandoning of the child by the legal parents. Also, any form of sex-selected surrogacy is prohibited. No person or agency can force the surrogate mother to abort the child. Only clinics which are registered according to the provisions of the bill will be allowed to provide surrogacy services. A surrogacy board will be set at national level to advise the government on surrogate policy and to see the functioning and implementation of the law. Surrogacy involves a business contract of sale between the surrogate mother and the intending couple, which is no less than a business transaction. It puts a price tag on the natural process of a birth of a child and reduces children to objects. Many women are pushed into the profession forcefully by their families to earn some money. After the controversy followed by the Baby Manji case, in which the child was caught between the legal battle, the government finally acknowledged the need of its interference in the growing industry of surrogacy services. All stakeholders were invited for a national level meeting, which CSR was a part of, but no concrete facts and evidences were available. Center for Social Research was the first organization to provide any research analysis between on grassroots level data by conducting two major studies. The first study was conducted in Anand, Jamnanagar and Surat, which threw light on the malpractices of the middlemen and how women are exploited, whereas the second study was conducted in the metropolitan cities of Delhi and Mumbai, which highlighted the ever-growing embryo industry in the metro cities. According to CIA, surrogacy is an ever-growing industry of $23 billion. The bill tries to curb the malefacts of commercial surrogacy and make the services available to only those who it sees as eligible. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding the video, please do ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel LEXCLIQ.